welcome to Amazing Living. I'm so glad you're here today. We're going to do a quick active flow to help get some energy and some heat building so that we can get ready and energized for our day. So if you're ready, we're going to start in the seated position with our legs crossed in Sukhasana. Sit up nice and tall, and let's just begin by slowly closing our eyes, taking a nice deep breath in, exhaling it out. One more time, a nice big breath in through your nostrils. Open your mouth slightly and go ahead and slowly begin breathing in and out through your nostrils as we center ourselves for this morning practice. Begin bringing your focus into your heart center. Maybe you set an intention here to practice a little bit more compassion and self-care for yourself, a little bit less self-judgment. And start your day or your week off to an excellent start. Take 2 more breaths in and exhale it out. Inhale it in. One nice big long exhale out. Relax your shoulders, relax some muscles in your mind, and then slowly begin opening your eyes. Let's take a great big inhale in as we take our arms out to the side, reach all the way up. Exhale, drop your right hand down, take your left hand straight over towards the right hand side. Maybe you flip that palm up, look up underneath your left elbow. Inhale, come on back up. Drop your left hand down, take your right hand, stretch it over towards the right hand side. Keep both sits bones on the ground. If you need to back off a little bit, feel free to do so. Then flip that right palm up, look up underneath your right elbow. Inhale, come on back up. Exhale, drop your right hand behind you, drop your left hand to your right knee. On your next inhale in, push through your right hand, pull your navel in and up towards your spine as you twist your upper thoracic spine and look over that right shoulder. Nice gentle twist here. On your next inhale, both arms come up. Exhale, drop your left hand behind you, right hand to your left knee. Push in with that left hand. Take a nice big breath in, pull that navel to your spine, look over your left shoulder. Nice big stretch here. One more breath. Inhale, take both arms all the way up. Exhale, turn your palms down, push the air down as you drop your hands down to the floor. Let's roll to a tabletop position. Spread those fingers out really wide. Take that thumb, bring it in a little closer towards your index finger. Wrists directly below your shoulders, knees directly below your hips. Take a nice, huge, big breath in. Drop your belly, extend your neck forward and look up gently. Cow pose. Inhale, push through your hands, round your back. Pull those shoulder blades apart. Really open up your thoracic spine here. Exhale. Inhale. Drop your belly, look up. Exhale, push through your hands, round your back. Inhale, come to a neutral tabletop. Pick up that right leg, kick it straight back, drop it over to the left-hand side, look over your left shoulder. Inhale, bring it up, look over your right shoulder. Nice, juicy stretch. Inhale, bring it up and bend your knee, bring it back down. Just trying to get our spine twisted in all 6 different directions. Inhale, kick that left leg up, drop it over to the right-hand side, look over your right shoulder. Inhale, bring it up, drop it over to the left-hand side, look over your left shoulder. Inhale it back up and bring your knee back down to center. We're going to come to an upright kneeling position. Taking our right leg straight out to the side, leaving our left leg bent. Take a nice deep breath in. Raise your arms all the way up, and on your exhale, take that left hand, dive it underneath your right leg, thread your needle. Take your right hand directly overhead. Inhale, both arms come up. Exhale, drop your left hand down. Take your right arm overhead. Pick that right leg up, and we're gonna crunch. Nice big breath in. Bring your knee and your elbow together for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One more. Grab your foot, pull your leg back, knee is bent. Keep your knee parallel to the floor. Exhale, drop your leg down, push your hips back, arms out to a T, flip your palms up, bird pose. Nice big breath here. Inhale, drop your hands to the floor to help yourself come back up. Bring your right leg in. Let's take the left leg out to the side. Giant breath in. Inhale it up. Exhale. Dive your right hand under your left leg. Thread your needle. Open up that right shoulder. Inhale, come on all the way back up. Exhale, right hand down. Left leg up. Left arm is extended overhead towards the right. On your next inhale in, let's crunch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it back in one more time, but grab that foot. Pull your foot back towards your glute, keeping your knee parallel to the floor. One breath here. Exhale, drop that left foot down. Plant your foot on the ground as you push your hips back. Arms to a T, palms facing upward, look up, bird pose. Excellent job, you guys. Exhale, drop your hands to the floor, bring your knee in, push yourself into a child's pose. Take 2 breaths here. On your next inhale in, begin pushing yourself up into a downward facing dog. Pedal it out, one foot, then the other. Feet should be at least hip width apart. Spread those fingers, bring that thumb in a little bit. Really push through your hands. Your head should be right between your arms. Push your hips up towards the ceiling, lengthen your spine. Take a big breath in, look towards the front of your mat, and either walk or hop forward. Inhale, halfway lift, nice straight back. Exhale, forward fold, bend your knees. Slowly bring yourself all the way up. When your chin comes up, your hands come up all the way up. Exhale, swan dive it forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, drop out to a low plank. And hold. Really push your feet back. Make sure your wrists are directly below your shoulders. Spread those fingers out. Bring that thumb in. Protect your outer wrists. And let's hold this for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Roll forward on your feet. Up dog. Roll back, downward facing dog. Take a look at the front of your mat and either walk or hop forward. Forward fold. Grab your elbows, allow your head to dangle. Bring your knees over your ankles. Inhale, halfway lift. Pull those shoulder blades together. Exhale, forward fold. Step it back to a high plank. And hold. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Roll it to an up dog. And back to a downward facing dog. Go ahead and pedal it out one more time. Look to the top of your mat and either walk or hop forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Bend through your knees, slowly push yourself up. You've been upside down, let your blood pressure catch up. When your chin comes up, your arms come up. And exhale. Bring your arms to your side. Really great job, you guys. Alrighty, one more time. Let's keep that heat going. Take a nice big breath in. Inhale, arms all the way up. Swan dive it forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, step that left leg back. Right leg, knees bended. You're in a low lunge. So you want to be with your legs about this far apart like railroad tracks. When you're ready, drop that back knee down. Untuck your back toe so that you protect your knee. Take a nice big breath in. Come all the way up. Reach up. Exhale. Take your arms behind your back. Interlace your fingers. Come forward on that front knee and lean on the inside of your knee. Low lunge, humble warrior. Your next exhale, drop your hands down. Inhale, slowly straighten that front knee as you bend over your front leg. Nice runner stretch. Inhale, bring your knee back up. Should be right over your ankle at this point. Untuck that back toe, lift that back leg, and bring yourself up into a warrior one. All the way up. Take your hands, turn your palms towards the front, and on your exhale, bring your fists together, pull your shoulder blades together. Inhale it up, exhale it down. Inhale it up, exhale it down. Last one, inhale up. On your exhale, turn your back foot, take your arms out to a T, warrior two. Back foot should be parallel to the mat. Heel of your front foot is in line with the arch of your back foot. Take a breath here. Right leg is bent. Back leg is your left leg. Energetically pull your feet together. Engage those inner thighs. Inhale. Pull your navel in and up towards your spine. Exhale, straighten that front leg. Drop your right hand down, your left hand up, triangle pose. Take a nice big breath in. Bring your legs, your body to face the front of the mat. Bring your arms up in the air. And on your next exhale, bring your back leg forward and drop your hands down to your sides. Great job, you guys. Nice big inhale in, reach it all the way up. Swan dive it forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, step that right leg back. Put a deep, generous bend in your left knee. Come down to a low lunge. When you're ready, drop that back leg down. Untuck your toe. Come all the way up. Reach up. Breathe. Exhale, drop your hands down. Just come forward on that front knee, allowing a nice quadricep stretch on the opposite leg. As you inhale, slowly begin straightening that left leg, bending over your left knee. Maybe your toes come up off the ground, maybe they don't. Take 2 breaths here. Inhale, begin bending that knee. Allow that knee to be directly over the ankle at this point. Untuck your back toe, lift your back leg, come up to a warrior one on the opposite side. And hold. This time we're going to cactus our arms. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, squeeze your arms together. Inhale it back. Exhale, squeeze it together. Inhale it back. Exhale it together. Inhale it back. This time when you come to an exhale in the front, take your arms to a T, turn that back foot so you're on a warrior two on the opposite side. Nice, deep, generous bend in that front knee. Inhale, pull your navel in and up. Look out over those front fingers. Nice, deep breath in. Exhale, drop your shoulders into your shoulder sockets. Inhale, straighten that front leg. Drop your left hand down, your right arm up. Triangle pose. On your next inhale in, turn to face that front knee. Bring your arms all the way up. Bring that back leg forward. And exhale, drop your hands down. Great big breath in, arms come up. Exhale, swan dive it forward. Go ahead and come down to the floor. And let's go ahead and lie on our back. We're going to get ready for Shavasana. As you lie down, go ahead and squeeze your knees in towards your chest. Maybe you exhale it out, stretch your legs all the way out. Really reach back up behind you with your arms. Open those intercostal muscles in between your ribs. Inhale it in. Nice big hug. Exhale, slowly stretch it all the way out. And then bring your arms down by your sides. Open your legs mat width apart. Pull your shoulder blades together. And let's begin some nice, slow, deep, easy breaths. If you'd like to, you can place one hand on your belly and one hand on your heart. Slowly breathing in and out. Allow your body to begin relaxing. Do a gentle body scan. See if there's any areas where you still feel some tension, and if you do, breathe into those areas. Continue breathing quietly for the next 30 seconds or so, relaxing your body. Maybe on your next inhale in, you begin wiggling your toes and your fingers and bringing some awakening movements back into your body. And slowly bring yourself up to a seated position. I'll meet you in Sukhasana, easy seat. Once you're there, let's take our arms out to the sides, raise them all the way up, put our hands together for Anjali Mudra, and slowly bring them down to our heart center. Thank you guys for coming out and sharing this video with me. I really appreciate you being here. Check out my website at OhmAzingliving.com. And I put the link in the comments below. Please leave me a comment. Let me know how you like this video, if there's anything else you'd like to see. With that, I'm going to take my hands to forehead center, and I'm going to bow and say namaste. Shanti, Shanti, peace.